Hello students, so I'm Dr. Neha. As you all know me, I am a public health specialist by profession and a mentor, guide and educator by passion. Okay, so I teach PSM on a lot of platforms, and with FMG coming up just to less than a week now, students requested me to make a video regarding all the important last minute topics for revision in PSM. So I'm just going to provide you a very short list of the expected topics that could come for FMG in PSM. Okay, so let's start with the very first chapter, history of medicine. Guys, history of medicine में images could definitely come. So look at all the important personalities: Edward Jenner, Jon Snow, Robert Koch, Louis Pasteur. All right, look at all of them images and what they did. Okay, that might come up from history. That's very important. And father of epidemiology, father of public health, some main important points you can do. Okay, then coming to next chapter, health and disease. Now for health and disease, very important for all of you to revise PQLI, HDI. Okay, definitely it's going to come in the examination. PQLI, HDI, revise the levels of prevention, revise difference between control, elimination, eradication. What are the diseases that have been eliminated? New guidelines I've shared in my Unacademy special classes also regarding whatever updates that have been there. All right, so revise that. Types of epidemic, don't forget. Then yes, mortality, morbidity indicators. So do go through Sullivan's Index, do go through DALY. Okay, and do go through important mortality indicators like infant mortality, the current value, maternal mortality, newborn mortality, and one that is very often asked these days is your perinatal mortality. So that I've taught you many times now. So do remember perinatal mortality. Other than that, what you should study from concept of health, ICD-11. Okay, ICD-11 has 26 chapters. So do just revise ICD-11 once. Okay, then come to infectious disease epidemiology. Okay, infectious disease epidemiology may please look at the major definitions. What definitions you will go through? What is incubation period? What is latent period? What is serial interval? What is primary case? What is index case? What is secondary case? What is median incubation period? What is one thing I'm forgetting? Generation time. Okay, these are the basic things that you should know from infectious disease epidemiology. What about case fatality rate to calculate also, formula also, and secondary attack rate. Do revise these and go. Okay, then when we come to the important chapter of epidemiology, classification of epidemiological study designs, pretty important. Just go through that table, to that graph. I've also taught you that a lot of times. Then all the study designs, like if you talk about cohort, remember the synonyms for it. Remember, it helps to calculate incidence, strength of association in cohort, relative risk, attributable risk, population attributable risk. Know about the formulas. Okay, similarly for case control study design, for cross-sectional, know it is prevalence, and it also does not help to establish temporality. Ecological unit of study in ecological study is population. Okay, yes, RCT may talk about randomization, remove selection bias, confounding factors. Selection bias is more important. Okay, what are the methods of randomization? Table of random numbers, very important. Know about intention to treat analysis seen in RCT. Ticket talk about evidence-based medicine, where the top the top in the hierarchy is occupied by meta-analysis. Okay, so this is about epidemiology. Something that I'm missing, yes, bias, very important. Bias could definitely pad lena. Types of bias. All right, selection bias, interviewer bias, information bias. Okay, I've already taught you that. Blinding removes bias. All right, yes, then causal association, most important criteria, temporality. Okay, so just go through that. Least important and very difficult to establish is specificity of association. Okay, so that covers epidemiology, the basic chunk of it. I'm telling you, when you come to communicable diseases chapter, do read about incubation period for measles, chickenpox, mumps. Okay, this might come up. Then read about the rashes, the presentation for all these three diseases. Do read about influenza, type A, type B, type C. Epidemics are caused by all the three, but pandemic is only caused by type A. Do read diphtheria, guys, very important. Diphtheria ka how do you treat a case of diphtheria? What about the immunoglobulin? How much do you give? It has been repeated many times, so read diphtheria. Yes, other than that, ARI ka classification dekh lena, rule of 60, 50, 40. Okay. Also talk about your, also you can talk about how do you manage according to IMNCI a child from pneumonia. Okay, do go through that. That's pretty important. How do you manage diarrhea? Diarrhea mein important is the ORS, the new ORS, the constituent breakup in ORS. That's pretty important. Okay, so read about ORS and go. And yes, what else could come from that? Yes, read about Ebola, read about Nipah virus, Aedes aegypti as the vector. Just go through it. Hospital acquired infection, the definition kya hai देख लो. Most common mode of infection spreading in hospital is through hand, through unsafe hygiene practices. Washing hand is recommended. So go through all this. Yes, I've told you about ORS. Classification of dehydration that came in entrances. Then read everything about a little bit about malaria, dengue, and of course all the 3 types of mosquitoes. Okay, Anopheles, Culex, Aedes. How you're going to differentiate between them. Very important for your last minute examination. The adult form, the larva, the flight range, and the image. Okay. All right, then coming to national health programs, all the recent updates I have shared on my Unacademy profile special classes, on my plus classes. Please go through them. If you do not have last minute thing hai, download kar lo app and do go through those recent updates lecture. It's very important. Okay, in the image based sessions I've shared all the recently launched programs and what are the things that have to be included. For TB, remember there are just 3 categories now. All new previous treated cases have been included in category 1 only. Then you should know about 90-90-90 initiative, 95-95-95 initiatives. For HIV AIDS kya hai? For HIV AIDS, definitely know about prevention of mother to child transmission. Okay, what is the ART regimen, and also needle prick injury in case of a health professional. Examples of targeted interventions, very important. Okay, for TB also know about the direct regimen, the daily regimen, why we have launched that. Okay, also talk about the weight bands. Please remember, adults have 5 weight bands, pediatrics have 6 weight bands. Okay, then coming to polio, now remember type 3 has been eradicated. Also type 3 polio virus. Talk about AFP surveillance, revise karke jana, definitely it turns up. Okay, then in polio something else that yes, you should know about switch national validation days. Okay, please revise kar lena wo sab. Then coming to leprosy, just know that for posse multibacillary, the same drugs are now being used for treatment. All right, and leprosy, know about the Sapna mascot. Okay, that I've already told you. Know about the elimination criteria of leprosy, pretty important. For RMN, CH+A, all the maternal health initiatives, those are there on my lectures. Suman, Pradhan Mantri Matritva Suraksha Abhiyan, Lakshya, revise kar lena. Also, what are we forgetting? Yes, home-based newborn care, home-based child care, which is an extension now, in which 5 additional visits have to be given. Okay, what else you should know about Anemia Mukt Bharat, Poshan Abhiyan. ठीक है, रिवाइज अनीमिया मुक्त भारत, पोषण अभियान, ICDS, मिड डे मील स्कीम with the images. ठीक है, I've already told you that. Yes, then talk about National Program for Control of Blindness, Visual Impairment. Do know about definition of blindness and the categories of blindness. That is pretty important. Yes, for National Program for Control of Blindness, know about the categories of blindness, the definition. Vision 2020, extremely important, and most common cause of blindness in India and worldwide, that's cataract. Okay, also iodine deficiency control program बहुत आ रहा है आजकल. Do know the requirements of iodine for a young, for an infant, for a child, for a pregnant lactating mother, for adults. I've already taught you that. And know about fortified or twin fortified salt. Know about the iodine elimination indicators. Okay, that is urinary excretion of iodine in a pregnant woman 24 hours. So that you should know. What else are we forgetting in national health programs? Yeah, these are important. NCDs may do know about Empower strategy. Do know about the national, the global initiative that has been launched to tackle NCDs. Okay, and do know about step surveillance. Okay, then at each level what services are being provided. Okay, then come to demography and family planning. Demography, know about demographic stages and in which stage your country is, know about census. SRS में एक ही question आता है, it's being done every 6 months. Okay, NFHS में एक ही question आता है, which how many NFHS rounds have been conducted, so that's 4. Okay, know about that. Yes, family planning, all the contraceptives with the images, I've taught you that. Listen to my previous sessions, आपको मिल जाएंगे उसमें images, so go through that. What do you call that? Yes, absolute and relative contraindications for IUCDs, OCPs, pretty important. MTP Act, new revision, 24 weeks तक MTP is legal now, so you should revise that and go. Any other important act that you should know? Yes, POXO Act कर लेना, ठीक है, that could come in your entrances. For environment, chlorination, don't leave anything from it. Okay, air pollution में indicators देख लेना, instruments, please go through them. Okay, and yes, what else in environment? I've already told you regarding the Anopheles, Aedes, and that. Know the criteria for overcrowding. That's very important. Housing standards देख लेना, difference between solid sewage, rubbish and garbage, please go through that. One thing I forgot a new strategy for TB elimination, JEET, वो देख लेना, go through that once. Okay, and nutrition, all the basic carbohydrate, protein, fats, what is the basic balanced diet, how much RDA is required for a pregnant woman, lactating woman for second half, sedentary woman, moderate heavy workers, वो देख लेना. Basic this thing of vitamin A किस में मिलता है, the basic ones, vitamin C, vitamin D किस में मिलता है. Vitamin A, definitely know the prophylactic dose and the treatment dose. All right. Yes, that pretty much sums up nutrition for us. Schemes I've already told you. Yes, do know about food adulteration, all the positive adulterants that could come, that we've already done, epidemic dropsy and all that. Fluorosis, definitely know, double-edged sword बोलते हैं उसको. So dental caries and dental fluorosis, images I've already shown you. Any image they could give for bite or spot or for any deficiency of vitamin A, वो देख लेना guys. The various images that come. Yes, biostats, coming to biostats, just know about mean, median, mode, know about standard deviation, know about that confidence interval formula, mean plus minus 2 standard error. Okay, and for individual observations, mean plus minus 2 standard deviations. The types of statistical tests, definitely. The various bar diagram, the various graphical representations, go through histogram, bar chart, scatter diagram, go through your box and whisker plot, stem and leaf plot, okay, funnel plot, forest plot, and line chart. I've already shown you that, and pie chart. Okay, yes, that pretty much sums up biostats. Healthcare delivery system, do know all the population norm and people working at various levels, subcenter, PHC, CHCs. Okay, that's pretty important. Know about the elements of प्राइमरी हेल्थ केयर, आज भी आता है, हमेशा आते रहेगा. ऑलराइट, देन कमिंग टू हेल्थ, कमिंग टू दिस चैप्टर, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, हेल्थ कम्युनिकेशन, जस्ट नो अबाउट द कम्युनिकेशन सिग्नल्स. हेल्थ एजुकेशन, नो द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सिम्पोजियम एंड पैनल डिस्कशन, pretty important, and the various health education techniques, FGD देख लेना. Okay, and yes, what else? If you talk about that chapter, international health, know about the headquarters for FMG for all the organizations, WHO, UNICEF, UNDP, Food Agricultural Organization, International Labour Organization. The World Health Day is celebrated on 7th April. ठीक है, do know the logos of all that could come in your entrances. Yeah, that pretty much sums up PSM for you. One important thing, vaccination I forgot. Do know about Mission Indradhanush, cold chain. I've told you a lot of times where is maximum cold chain failure, what is cold chain temperature, how many months can you store at each of the levels the cold chain. Okay, the vaccines, yes, know the images of ILR and the this thing, vaccine carriers and all that. No reversed cold chain, it's for stool samples. All right, so these are the basic chapters. For numericals, please calculate IMR, NMR, post neonatal mortality rate, PMR, okay, case fatality rate, secondary attack rate, Horrocks apparatus ka formula, remember, n into 2 grams disinfects 455 liters of water. All right, then yes, you can get any calculations, simple ones, relative risk, odds ratio. For screening, know about what is sensitivity, specificity, predictive values, okay, and difference between diagnostic and screening test. For all the images, I have shared it on my Unacademy profile, on my Unacademy classes. Please go through them. Last minute, I've been sharing the link on the Telegram channels also. Do definitely go through those images. That sums up entire thing. Something that I might be skipping from my mind. Anything? Yes, growth chart dekh lena. I have already told you about road to health growth chart, mid upper arm circumference. ठीक है? Yes, these are the topics. Come on, if you're able to revise this much also, you're good to go. But one last thing, you know it, all students, आपने पढ़ाई कर ली है. Nobody has studied more than all of you. Nobody knows more than all of you. So just keep revising for PSM. Please go through all my previous lectures if possible. You can download them from Unacademy profile, and I'm sure you're going to succeed. Okay, do listen to this entire, do go through these topics. So I am expecting a lot of questions from them. ठीक है, नीति आयोग का full form देख लेना, very important. SDG देख लेना. Okay, yeah, that's it. So all the very best. Take care, be happy, be safe, be healthy, and keep attending my special classes. And anybody who wants to subscribe to my revision course for NEET PG PSM 2021 starting in September, alright, you can use code Dr. Neha 10 to get a 10% off. All the very best, students.